There we
two
go.
different rotations.
I don't know. I can't tell if that thing is actually rotating or not next to it.
Yeah, that could be two wall clouds. Remember, this is multiple cells that developed. So the multiple cells
it might have multiple mesos in there.
Yeah, multiple updrafts.
Like Pilger. Yeah, he's getting very fat. Okay, come on. What's crazy is the cell on Pickle doesn't look even remotely organized at all.
It is really close to the
values in. Oh yeah, that's the other problem. The values in there are nuts. There's pink on the red side.
All right, now we're getting up closer.
It is seeing rotation in that thing there next to it.
Yeah. Okay. Good. That means we get a double.
That is very close to there. Maybe not as close. It's not as close as it looks.
Man, that is a beautiful tornado.
Yeah, he's
my
great.
God, he's humongous. This is going to be a long track tornado, isn't it?
I think it's already been a long track tornado.
Over 10 minutes.
Actually, the track hasn't been very long.
It's just kind of been sitting there, but
yeah, long-lived.
Oh, look at the debris cloud.
All right, what do you say? Like right up here?
I've been recording for 90 minutes now, straight.
90 minutes straight. That's right, because you've basically been recording since we got over here, right? Or since further back. It's grass and dirt. Okay.
Out of the car?
Yep.
Try not to stand in front of the front windshield too much, because that's where I'm recording.
Crank it up a little bit. There we go. Yeah, look at the debris cloud on him. That thing is nuts. Come on. I gotta kind of hold it, otherwise it...
That's your grade there.
Yeah, that other thing's rotating. The rotation on the other part is tightening up now too.
Yeah.
Look at that thing go. Yeah.
I mean, look at the rotation.
Yeah, no, I know, I see it.
If that goes down, that's going to be monster tornado.
Okay, no, those are trees, not chasers that I was looking at. Okay, that house isn't as close as I thought it was, but...
Oh, yeah, that barn? Okay, yeah.
There's another house further
That's
over.
okay. Though. Can we get... Do you mind looking at roads?
Crap. I can't hold this if...
That's okay, just let it be.
It's going to drop now. It's going to drop. I see it.
There we go, it's stationary now. Crap, where did I put that thing? There it is. Roads, okay.
Road right there. I see some guys on it. I don't want it if it's dirt, but if it's not dirt, we got it.
Okay. Shit. Oh, that's the 160. Wait, no, never mind. We're further north than that. Okay, there is no real roads at all the way up north. The other thing
is that
is
a real road?
Doesn't look like it on here.
It doesn't look like it.
Oh, my shit's not loading at all, though. It's dirt. It's dirt.
It's okay.
That guy's getting really big. Alright. There we go. Yeah, look at the debris cloud on him.
His track is going straight north, so that means he's ingested the boundary, but he's following the boundary northwest. So you notice how he was coming toward us when we were way back there?
Yeah.
And now he's getting further away?
Yeah.
He's getting further away because he's following the track of the boundary itself.
Yeah. That rotation looks nutty on. Oh, that was a while back still. Yeah. Yeah. This was 10 minutes ago?
Oh, hell yeah.
That is a big, fast, dangerous tornado. Oh.
Alright, we're gonna pull off up here.
Okay. I'm just wondering what's gonna happen right there. If that's gonna actually drop or not. If we're gonna get another pillager here or what.
Mine.
Okay, there we go.
That farm up ahead, that has to be on a road.
Jeez. Yeah.
Well,
You started to get rain wraps.
I'm just waiting for the second rotation to.
Like that, right there? You mean that lowering right there?
Yeah. It's gonna. It's getting closer. It's going this way.
Is it?
That rotation over here is going this way.
Yeah, no, I see it. That is a violent tornado.
Yeah. But you see with the rotation over here, to the right.
God damn it, come on. Come on, focus, jeez. I'm trying to get the horse. Wow, that thing is getting big. Oh my god. Yeah, oh wow. Focus, god damn it, come on. Got it, nice. Yeah!
Friends!
God, that's like a full-size tornado coming out the side of it. Jeez.
Yeah, look at that.
Dude, it's wrapping around it. Holy crap.
Holy mackerel.
Oh, seriously. It's wrapping around it. It's as big as a tornado. Oh, there's another funnel now.
Yeah,
like an actual funnel.
Are we going?
I want to, yeah. I want to keep moving north with it.
Okay, yeah. I got enough pictures. Yeah, there's another funnel coming down right there. Oh my god.
So I made an executive decision when I was talking to Lisa while standing on the car back over there.
Yeah.
And my executive decision was, assuming we were going to get an amazing tornado, we could splurge with a $140 room with 2 queen beds and a pull-out bed.
Hell yeah.
And I figured we can do that.
Yeah, totally.
We just got our freaking amazing tornado. This thing is like, damn.
I'm having a tough time here back in. This is going to be tricky getting into the lineup.
Yeah, there's so many people trying to get up there to get the next funnel there. That's kind of coming down now a little bit.
Okay, right here. Is it that good?
Yeah, go just full out. Yep, funnel's coming down. Other funnel's looking like it's kind of starting to weaken now.
Yeah, he's rain wrapped. He's gone. So the other one's gone. This is our primary well.
He's
down.
still there, but he's not as big as he was.
Yeah, he might have a little.
His hole's somewhere far away.
But we got
so-
a new tornado forming on this wall here. Yeah, he's still there. He's just not